Hey, it's Dan Holloway here, and this video is talking about whether you need to have technical experience or knowledge to start an online business. And the short answer is no, not at all. The thing that I hear a lot of the time is people have this impression that you do need to be a technical guru to start online, but as long as you know how to check your emails and as long as you know how to update your Facebook status, that's pretty much the extent of the skill set that you need to get started in this field. And if you don't know how to do those things, that's absolutely okay, because you can then practice the one skill that is going to be utterly essential if you are going down this path, which is stepping outside your comfort zone, learning new skills and growing until you become the person that you need to be to achieve the things that you want to do. And that is a trait shared by pretty much every successful person that I've read about, studied, listened to over the years. It is taking responsibility and taking action towards growing outside your comfort zone. You know, learning skills that ultimately enable you to get to where you want to go. Because at the end of the day, if we want to get somewhere and we tell ourselves, hey, I don't think I can't do that because I don't know how to do X, well, go and learn X and then you can get to where you need to be. It's about taking ownership and responsibility to learn the skills that are going to help you get to where you want to go. I mean, to give you an example, Jack Ma founded Alibaba, which is the world's largest retailer, just overtook Walmart, I believe, last year or the year before. E-commerce retailer. And Jack Ma, when he started the company back in 1999, I think it was, very little technical experience. He knew how to send emails. That was about it. And he's now the founder of the largest e-commerce company in the world. So that gives you a bit of an idea of how, if you're starting in this space, absolutely don't need to be a technical whiz kid. You know, it's just a case of learning basic skills, new skills, and then using those to ultimately achieve what you want to achieve. And again, within the SFM community, there's masses and masses of people from all sorts of backgrounds, all sorts of levels of understanding. Many of them, know very little about computers. And the beauty of the SFM is that if you're going down this route, the whole point of the community and the point of the educational resource is that you have that guidance, you have that one-on-one support, you have the systems designed to make it straightforward for anybody that wants to get involved in this. And again, I'm not saying it's easy. It's going to take a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of dedication. But if you're committed to going down this path, and if you're prepared to put the time in, then you have everything you need to learn those skills. And it's like anything, if you want to learn how to play golf, you want to learn how to drive a car, you want to learn how to do this or do that. If you put the time in to master that skill, it might take a while, but you're going to get there eventually through that dedicated commitment. All right, so again, look forward to speaking to you soon, and hope you have a good day wherever you are in the world. Bye for now.